Hello, Jax here, and welcome to day 4 of Bots Mean Biz Treasure Hunt. Today we're talking basically about subscribers. So you're probably thinking, okay, so how do I actually get subscribers for my messenger bot? Well, that comes from what we call the growth tools. There are loads of ways for you to get new subscribers for your messenger bot, so you actually have people that you can broadcast messages to. There's also many ways to share your chatbot and get the word out, so you can start adding people to your bot subscriber list, which, let's face it, is the whole point of this. So today I'm going to focus on my favorite 2 ways of doing this and give you a demo of those. But first, a story. Okay, so how long do you think it would take for you to reply to 69 comments? Now, this is a teaser post that I did on my profile, giving away the top 50 Facebook groups freebie. And obviously when people reply to something you've put out there, you need to message them back and give them the information that they want without ending up in Facebook jail. Okay, so it can take quite a long time. Now, 69 comments is okay, it's not fantastic, but it's a fair few. And the Facebook algorithm bots are also watching Messenger. So when you're messaging people back, my advice or motto is to take it slow. And too many repetitive messages and you can end up in Facebook jail. So you don't want to be copy and pasting the same message over and over again, and you don't want to do this too fast. So, if you've got a lot of messages to send which are basically the same thing to a lot of people, it's going to take you a while. So this is just something to bear in mind, and this is, if you see on there, this was back in November, so that was kind of before I really got into the chatbot era. So I'm going to show you today how that can be turned around completely, and it means then that if a lot of people are replying to your comments, they're not stuck there waiting for you to message them manually, because this can be done in an automated fashion. And if you've got people waiting, what happens is they kind of forget that they've replied to you, they forget what it was that they wanted, they lose the excitement, and then move on to the next freebie that they see advertised on Facebook. Or shiny object syndrome. I mean, that's what it is. People react instantly to something, and if they don't get a reply quickly, then they move on. So as you are marketing something with your post, you potentially lose a customer there. So how can we prevent this from happening? Okay, what we do is, instead of manually replying to all of those comments that you get, ManyChat can do it for you automatically. Now that is pretty cool, I think. So this is where you can create a post and you can ask people to comment with a specific word or phrase, and then they are automatically sent something that you set up. You can even host Facebook Live, ask people to comment under that, and when they comment with a word that you've set up in ManyChat, they will be sent the information straight away. Now, I'm going to show you a demo of that in a few minutes, and I think you're absolutely going to love that. So that's the first growth tool I'm going to share with you today. And then I'm going to share another one which is equally as amazing in a slightly different way, which is what we call the landing page. Now, ManyChat has their own capture page or landing page which you can use, and set up really, really quickly. A ManyChat landing page is basically your own landing page or capture page, whatever you like to call it. So instead of creating your capture page using Funnelizer, Lead Pages, OptimizePress, or however you might create them now, you can do it right inside Messenger with very little effort. You create the page and the message, and then you share that link with people, just as you would if you were asking them to pop their email into a normal capture page. That is pretty cool. So just keep watching. Okay, now we're going to go into a bit of demo. So give me a second. And the first thing I'm going to show you is something about the freebie that I asked you to think about on day 2. So I'm going to just show you something else first, and then we're going to go into ManyChat to look at those 2 tools that I just talked about. There are so many different topics that you can talk about when you're actively looking to give away a freebie and set something up in ManyChat. And you don't have to go out and create your own freebie if you don't want to. For example, here I am now, I'm in my MLSP back office, and I'm going to just take you across to where we have some system campaigns. Now, if you just take a look at all of these, this big list here of campaigns, okay, basically these are all free trainings. And as of right now, we're talking about 24 different campaigns. These change as time goes on because they are all current and they're up to date. And some old ones will get redone or they'll get dropped, and new things coming in will always be here on the list. So they are all free things that you can actually give away, and to a specific target market, i.e. people that are looking for the things that are listed here. And they are all incredibly valuable. Now, since we're talking about Messenger, let me just click on here. Okay, and I'll just show you. Okay, now if you sent your link, or I send my link to somebody, then this is what they see. Okay, this is about Messenger marketing, making a ManyChat campaign, and you click download now. Okay, so you've got a free video here. You see $97 value. They enter their email, the name and their email, and they get access to that. So what you can go and do here is, or suggest that people do, is they can go in, check out one of these trainings and watch it for free. Okay, so if you want to market this campaign, the best thing for you to do, like anything when you want to share it with people, is to watch something, learn something, take some notes, pull out a few of the main points of the training, and that can be the topic of a post in your group or even a Facebook Live. Okay, so you can pick anything, to be honest. They're very useful for me, these campaigns, but you can choose something that you're a part of, and your call to action in your post could be, look, this is an awesome topic. I've so much more I can share on it, but instead of taking up more of your time, I've got a few points here to show you, and then I have a free training I can send you to. If you write yes, or yes please, or send me the training underneath this post. Okay, so you pick a keyword. All right, now you have to be careful nowadays with this new Facebook algorithm how you phrase this. They don't like you to say comment below the post, but there are ways around that. So that's something, we'll come to when we get inside ManyChat again. So you don't want to get your post blacklisted, but this is the whole point of doing it. You need to have something that you can share with people. Okay, so you can either share it as a post, or you can do a Facebook Live and think of a keyword to do with your training, and you would ask people to put that keyword below if they'd like to see your training. Okay, well, hopefully if that wasn't clear, it will become clear when we get inside ManyChat. So give me a few moments and we will be in there. Because you don't need to be an expert in any topic to share it with somebody else. People always say, yes, but I don't know what I can share. I'm not an expert. I don't know enough about something. I'm still learning. So how can I share content? Well, this is how. You watch, you learn, you teach, you learn, you teach. Just keep sharing the information with a few points that you've picked out. That's all you need to do. So that's where we stop here, and now we're going inside ManyChat. So I'll see you in there in just a few seconds. Okay, so here we are in ManyChat. Now we're going to set up two of the growth tools. The first one is going to be the one they call the Facebook comments. So go into your ManyChat. Down the left-hand side column, you want growth tools, okay, which is highlighted there in green. Click on that and you get to this page. Then go over to the right-hand side and click New Growth Tool. Okay. I'm just going to go back here, back into Growth Tool, and then go down to Facebook comments. Okay, so then you get to select a post. Okay, so you click here, you select a post from your page. You get the choice of quite a few that come up. So I imagine it would be one of the most recent ones that you've just put there. All right, and then just leave this first level comments off. So replies don't get counted. You don't really need that just at the beginning here. When it comes to delaying the message, I would suggest set a delay of 30 seconds, and then it doesn't seem too stalkerish if you reply the second that somebody's actually commented. It can be a bit freaky, so it just gives them 30 seconds and then your message will be sent to their messenger inbox. Exclude comments, so if you want to exclude a word from your comment, pop it here. You don't really need to worry about that just now. The bottom one here, this is most important. This is where you need to add in the keyword or words that you want them to comment underneath your post, which will trigger the following message that you're about to send them. So, make it something simple. It could be a keyword from something you're offering. Maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's Twitter, maybe it's Messenger. It could be a simple yes, it could be hands up. Depends very much on what you're actually offering them. Choose something there, make it quite simple, something that people are quite happy to just write in a comment underneath the box, okay? And then click on next. Okay, and then you type in your auto message here. This is where you craft a little message which people will receive in their inbox after they've commented on your post. You can say something like, I've typed in here, hi, hey, name, full name, first name. Remember, you can change this here with this little button. Excited you wanted to grab the free training. Please confirm you'd like it sent here in Messenger. To get access, simply type yes and I'll send it over and let me know what you think. Okay, now when you send them a link, make sure you send them the thank you page link. Okay, don't send them a capture page link if you're using MLSP, or if you're using any of your free offers with a capture page. You can always get their email addresses later. The point of using Messenger here is they get that freebie directly straight away. Okay, so get the training straight over to them. And what you do now is next, and you can click here, send it to users who reply with a keyword. You can send it to everybody that replies, or you can skip the opt-in message altogether, but I wouldn't advise that you do that. Okay, so have a little practice and preview them. Okay, and then you would click save and activate here. Okay, so that's your Facebook comments set up. So we're going to do a second growth tool now. So we click on there, click on new growth tool. Sorry, let's move that up slightly. And the second one we're going to do, which is just brilliant, is the landing page, which is kind of like a capture page normally. So this is very simple to set up. Now, if you don't have a website, it doesn't matter. You can use this, okay? It's all done within ManyChat, so it's very simple. If the only thing you use is Facebook and Messenger, then this is all that you need to do. It basically sets up a little landing page customized to you with a link that you can give to people to subscribe. Okay, so get into your account, click on Growth Tools and the New Growth Tool, and here you are on this page. Now, this is really the easiest way to get started with subscribers. You can customize it however you like, and you can change the text in here. So we could, you could say, so if you're looking at literally just setting up a messenger bot, you could say, want to subscribe to my messenger bot. Okay, and it's not an awfully exciting thing to say there. That is just to give you an example. So whatever it is that you're offering them, you can put something about it in there, okay? And you could pop something in this section. You notice that they have a little message there, okay, just to remind you that you really need to write something in there. And you can put, can't wait to chat with you, can't wait to chat. I'll be sure, oops, that's, sorry, I'm going too fast. Sure to keep you posted. Posted with, and then you could put new videos, my up-to-date blog posts, my new products, depending very much on what it is that you're actually offering your people here. Okay, and then with this button here, you can customize this button. You can change its color, or you can change its size. You can also add in an image if you want. Okay, if you click down here, you can add an image. So if you upload something, it will put the image in here. Now you can move it obviously up and down the page where you want. So you can make it look like a mini capture page, which is actually quite exciting. Okay, then if you click on this, you can change the color of here. Okay, you've got background color that you can change. You can change the headline color text. You can change your button background color. Okay, your button text, and you can also again add an image, or you could add a video in here. And if you just kind of think about it, all the things that you might want to say, this is like your thank you page. So you could say, hey, thanks for subscribing. you know, click to get your freebie down here. All right. And when you click that, when the person clicks that, then they would be added to your list. Okay, now what you get here, you get a message that you can send people, the first message, so you can edit that. All right, and pop a message, quick message in there. Let's cancel that. And that's it. All right, once they do that, click on that, then they are added to your subscriber list. Now this here, you can copy the URL to clipboard, or you can literally just copy and paste it. Copy it. This is your capture page or landing page link. So this is literally what you share with people. And if you send somebody that link, they will then opt in just like a normal capture page to your ManyChat subscriber list. Okay, so if you're offering a freebie or a training, you can make up your own little capture page. You can do this in 5 minutes, okay? And there it is. It's all ready for you. And it's, you know, that's it really. It's just amazing, isn't it? Quite simple. So spend a little time playing around in ManyChat and working through some of those growth tools. The software is so simple to use and user-friendly and really self-explanatory. There are, in fact, when you're in there, there are on the bottom left-hand side lots of little videos that you can click on for help. But I would keep it simple at this stage and just concentrate on one of the two that we've actually done today. If you need to watch it again, then play around a little bit yourself. Decide which one you want to use, you know, think about what you're going to offer people, and then move on to your homework, which is to pick one of those two and set it up for today. Okay, give your audience some kind of freebie, whatever it is that you've actually decided on. Then pop and comment done on the accountability post. The link is on this training page below. Just write done. You don't have to write anything long-winded, because I know that you'll be a bit short of time and concentrating on your clues. But just literally just go for it and let me know that you're on the path, and then start having a look at some of the other treasure hunt points sheet clues. Okay, I hope this is going well for you. Let me know. You can leave feedback if you want. You can ask questions. I'm really happy to help you through this. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow, where you're going to see some more exciting things. So best of luck setting up your growth tool, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.